been ranked number 1 in placements and number 3 tech school in India by DataQuest for the last few years. And our team, as a consequence of the hands-on training that we give to the students, our programming team has been winning the Indian regionals and representing India at the ACM Intercollegiate Programming Contest finals. This will be the 7th year in a row. In 2015 they will do that. This has not been achieved by any Indian institution, and we don't know how many globally institutions have gone to this finals 7 times in a row. And our students have got other achievements which are like CanSat, one of the a satellite in a can, some Intel Embedded Challenge. There are Google Cloud Challenge. They have been winning this. These are just undergraduate students. So coming to outreach, we want to impact. One of the founding objectives was to impact education in the larger area here as well as the nation. So we have been interacting with other engineering college students to impart them the thrill of research as well as some coursework. We are developing virtual labs that will be used by engineering colleges worldwide or countrywide at least. This is a MHRD program. We have been trained over 500 teachers and several students explicitly in IIIT, and we have a very highly acclaimed human values program, a value education within the campus, started more than 10 years ago. Now this has been taken to several campuses, including Punjab Technological University and UP Technological University, but also all colleges, all the degree colleges of Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana. So thousands of faculty have been trained by us or indirectly or directly by us, who in turn impact lakhs of students. And we also want to impact the professionals around us. So we have a program called PGSSP, by which any professional working in Hyderabad can come and register for 1 or 2 courses that go on our campus without going through an entrance exam and so on. So over 1,000 professionals have made use of this in the last several years. And we of course do technology development and transfer to DRDO, ISRO kind of government agencies, as well as to companies such as Rediff and Amazon, Nokia and so on. And we started an incubation program just 3-4 years ago, and we are today the largest academic incubator in the country. We have incubated